Hey everyone, alright, so this is the second part of the Velvet Teddy Forever collection. In this video, you're going to see how Teddy Forever look that I created with the collection, and I hope you enjoy it. So please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and let's go. First, I go in with the Hyper Real Serumizer and Skin Canvas Balm to give the face a glow and prime it for the makeup application. Next, I used MAC Studio Radiance Serum Powered Foundation in a couple of shades to match her skin tone exactly, and applied with the 170 brush to really manipulate the formula how I wanted. It's a very nice foundation that you can build up from light to full coverage. Afterwards, I go in with MAC Studio Fix 24 Hour Smooth Wear Concealer and conceal any imperfections that I want to have and blend it out with a beauty blender or with brushes. Then I set everything with a powder. In this case I used MAC Studio Fix Set and Blur Weightless Loose Powder in Translucent to matte the areas that I want to have matte down and prime the face for any further powder application. Then I bronzed up the skin to match the Velvet Teddy kind of colors in this collection, and for this I used the Starstruck bronzers from MAC. And I only used bronzers for my contour because I don't want to have a harsh contour going on, because I want to keep this look very, very soft. To put a little bit more color into her skin, but not overwhelmingly much, I put the Play Glue Blush on in Grand because it's a very, very nice formula that you can build up how you like it. For the eye look, I started with Prep and Prime 24 Hour Extended Eye Base. It's a very, very nice eyeshadow base that doesn't crease and the shadows adhere very, very good on it. And I take a nice little brush and I put a tiny amount on, and it keeps everything in place. Then I took the Teddy Forever Eye and Face Palette in Light and the eyeshadow in Cashmere Teddy. It's the second lightest in the palette, and I applied it in a light wash all over her lid, and you can see this is very, very pigmented. I also took this color underneath the eye with a 221 brush from MAC to have it very, very nice and feathered. Then I took the same brush and the eyeshadow in Twinkly Teddy to define the crease a little bit more, but I don't want to have harsh lines in there, so that's the reason why I only took a little bit and build it up how I want to have it. And to soften everything even further, I took a clean 217 brush by MAC and blend everything together so we have a very, very nice and neat look without any harsh lines. And for a little bit of definition underneath the eye, I took a 219 pencil brush with Twinkling Teddy to give the lower lash line a little bit of definition, but I don't want to do it too dark. For an inner corner highlight, I take the eyeshadow in Plush Paradise on a 219 brush with a little bit of Fix Plus on it. To give a little bit more of a shimmer, I took the eyeshadow in Glitzy Teddy with a 239 brush to pop it only onto the lid with no harsh lines. And as you can see here, I took a blending brush and blend over everything so everything is nice and mellow together. Then I followed up with a Color Access pencil in Stick Top Bro and tightline the lashes and smudge it out a little bit with a brush, but I don't want to have any significant thick liner or something, only to give the eyes a little bit more of definition. Then I quickly defined her brows. It's only a little bit. I don't want to have any harsh eyebrows or something. I want to keep the look very, very soft. Then I followed up with the Extra Dimension Skin Finish and Double Gleam and a 240 brush to give a subtle highlight, but nothing too crazy. Then I take a little bit of MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus to marry everything together. And I finished the look up with Extended Play Giga Black Lash Mascara. And yeah, that's all for the eye look. It's a very, very beautiful eye look for people who want to enhance their blue eyes because it's very warm in tone. And yeah, it's a nice little tip for everyone who wants to have their eyes shine brighter. To complete the look, I take the lip pencil in Deeply Teddy and the Luster lipstick in Ready Teddy. And this lipstick and lip liner is a 100% recommendation for everyone who wants to have a very, very nice nude lip that's a little bit deeper in shade. It's very, very nice. It marries everything together in this look, and I highly can recommend it for you. that's my finished look. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial, and we see you next time. Bye guys.